It'll still be a few more weeks until demolition crews can begin to dismantle the hard rock, but they took the first steps today. Danny Monteverdi has a look at what's happened and what's next.
We've heard about it for so long. Today, we finally heard it and saw it. Work to tear down this old post office in the shadow of the Hard Rock Hotel began Friday morning. It's one of 3 buildings that will be torn down. The others are historic structures on Canal Street. The work will continue on the ground for several more weeks. As soon as that's done, they're going to move up here, and that's when they'll start to take down the upper floors of the Hard Rock. It'll be a 4-step demolition process. First, removing the damaged crane that hangs over Canal Street. Next, recovering the remains of 2 workers killed when the building collapsed in October. That could happen in about 30 days. After that, the most dangerous part. Workers will use force to push the unstable top 10 floors down onto the lower 8. Those top floors are built with steel, while the bottom floors are sturdier concrete. According to the plan, that would be done by mid-July. At that time, the company says Canal Street could be fully open to traffic. The final phase involves taking down the bottom 8 floors.
The final site cleanup and so forth will be end of September, early October. And the finished product will be that we're going to leave the ground floor slab in.
In the meantime, crews will continue their work to start to bring an end to a sad chapter in the city's history. Danny Monteverdi, Eyewitness News.
While the demolition of those 3 buildings is expected to wrap up by the end of this month, that's when the 4-step demolition of the Hard Rock itself will begin.